Hi everyone, hope you're all doing fine. It's Friday today, and I just thought I might share with you my room tour. I've literally just had it decorated. Um, it's been done in a nice Magnolia, um, and you can just about see through the mirror, but I'll take you close up to the walls. Um, Look, see, that's a nice Magnolia colour. Sorry, it's a bit dull. It's a very dull day today. See. I moved my boomerangs from the wall down up onto the shelf here. Well, that's a photo of a familiar vehicle. My favourite animal, my favourite pets for other wolves. It's a calendar there. But look at the painting, see? Look how nicely it's come up. And on the windowsills too. It's a nice view of the garden. I'm really pleased to be back in here. Normally I have like another set of drawers just here, but I haven't used them for yonks, so I'm probably not going to bother bringing them back in. As you can see, if you come back here, I've actually got quite a bit of room. See? Loads of room there. Those are my martial arts, because I used to do taekwondo a long time ago. That's a couple of trophies I got. So everyone, do comment down below what you think of my room, and tell me what you would like to see in it, in the way of maybe more pictures, or is there enough room? Do I need the drawers? Give me a second opinion. I'll speak to you guys soon. Okay, I've now got to get my mum ready because I'm rather late. Bye. Oh, one other thing. Let me know if you want any shout outs. See you soon.